Here are the most important pieces of advice that I've passed on to my children. 1. Remember to look up at the stars and not down at your feet. 2. Never give up work. Work gives you meaning and purpose, and life is empty without it. 3. If you are lucky enough to find love, remember it is rare and don't throw it away. And however difficult life may seem, there is always something you can do and succeed at. It matters that you don't just give up.
Take a trip to the sea. Let your hair run free. Or you're a rebel in disguise. Is that the devil in your eyes? We fell in love right by the ocean. In our class, down the side. Made all our plans down on the sand. She's a killer queen, gunpowder gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam. Keeps a Moet Chandon in a pretty cabinet. Let them eat cake, she says, just like Marie Antoinette. A built-in remedy for crash coffee and Kennedy. Anytime an invitation you can't decline. Caviar and cigarettes, well-versed in etiquette, extraordinarily nice. She's a killer queen, gunpowder gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind. Anytime.
To jest wakacja.
Insatiable in appetite. Complications, she never kept the same address. In conversation, she spoke just like a baroness. Met a man from China, went down to Geisha Minor. Then again, incidentally, if you're that way inclined, perfume came naturally from Paris. The car she couldn't care less. She's a killer queen.
Ale piękny, piękny gejzer.
momentarily out of action, temporarily out of class. We're absolutely driving you wild. Just hard to get you. He's a killer queen, gunpowder gelatine, dynamite with a laser beam, guaranteed to blow your mind. I recommend it at the price, insatiable in appetite. Wanna try? You wanna try?
It's that daily routine, but y'all knew that. Step up in the building asking who that. I'm doing new stats, I mean that new rap. It don't matter what you doing, cause we do laps, that's new facts. Okay, calm down if you scared. You ain't calm, I don't care. You can run around, get your gunner down, we blow it up in that air. Bombs right there. On top of all of these stairs. Y'all down below, y'all standing low. Keep looking up and just stare. This ain't no hide and seek. Find your seat. See, we came to take names. Y'all reminded me. Y'all can't lie to me. Too much pride to be. Just unleash another beast. It's just a side of me. Keep minding me. Like look now, like look now. That left fist get hooked now. My buck's down, you shook now. Got more heat, get cooked now. Like oh man, I know them. Front stage, I show them. Just another animal that's stepping out like oh man. I'm a beast. Where you at? Oh my God.
No i co? I coraz gorzej tak. Coraz gorzej.
Oh my God. There we go. What you doing? Oh my God. Where you at? What you doing? Oh my God. I'm a beast. Where you at? Been unleashed. What you doing? Take my teeth. Y'all can't fathom I'm a beast. Oh my God, I'm a beast. Where you at? I've been unleashed. What you doing? Take my teeth. Y'all can't fathom I'm a beast. Oh my God, I'm a beast. There we go. That's a beast. Not for real. That's a beast. Y'all just know that that's a beast. Been unleashed cause I'm a beast. I'm a beast. When I step up on the scene, that's a beast.
Everybody should do in their lifetime sometime two things. One is to consider death, to observe skulls and skeletons, and to wonder what it will be like to go to sleep and never wake up. We have offended against thy holy laws. We have left undone those things which we ought to have done, and we have done those things which we ought not to have done, and there is no health in us. But it ought to be different, and we're going to do our best to amend with the help of God's grace. But I love myself. And what is me? In what way do I know me? Well, it suddenly occurs to me that I know me only in terms of you. And so, if you are perfectly honest about loving yourself, you suddenly come to discover that the self you love, if you really go into it, is the universe. We have offended against thy holy laws. We have left undone those things which we ought to have done, and we have done those things which we ought not to have done, and there is no health in us. But it ought to be different, and we're going to do our best to amend with the help of